The Multilingual International Center of the Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education has organized its annual Train the Teachers workshop for English teachers with the theme Literary Application and Critical Thinking Skills and Methodology.
Mastering the English language goes beyond grammar and vocabulary. It encompasses the ability to appreciate literature, think critically, and engage with text in meaningful ways. This workshop is designed to address these essential components. Over the next few days, we will delve into the heart of literary appreciation, exploring ways to instill a love for literature in our students.
The training seeks to help teachers use 21st century skills to teach their students.
It's not just about teaching English. It's about developing in them the ability to control their whole mind, to be able to express themselves. And we hardly do it nowadays. Give them any topics in the environment to wake them up. Critical thinking will come alive to them. It's not about just restricting yourself to syllabus says you should do this, you should do that. But bring other variables that will enable them to learn better.
The focus is to enable students develop critical thinking skills.
There's a part in our skills that has to do with spelling and with weaknesses. Do we remember? Do we engage our children in that? So,
we must have teachers who can adapt and take opportunities that are available now to help the students to prepare for the problems that are not existing with the students who face when they leave school. So it is a thing that would prepare them to get the students to collaborate, to communicate, to imagine, to think critically and solve problems, not just about English language, but general use in life, because it's about methodology. What we do in English affects comprehension. And comprehension is not just the classroom thing, comprehending life, understanding life, and to solve problems about life. Because when you have comprehended, you'll be able to solve problems.
This program would help them to better teach their students using the 21st century core skills, which include digital literacy, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking. So we want a situation where our teachers will teach their students how to think critically to solve problems, think out solutions to the everyday problem using literature and using English, as it were.
I want to appreciate the Lagos State government. Critical thinking is a very important skill that teachers should, develop and use in the classroom when teaching their students. Well, for me, it is developing my capacity more to help me go back to the classroom and to engage my students more so that they can become critical thinkers, so that they can be more productive to the society.
I would like to appreciate the Lagos State government, for this kind of educative program, training the trainers. I've been able to gain a lot of skills, the communicative skills, the reading skills, and all of that, so to go back into the class to also teach my students, these skills, and also not only to teach my students, to also teach my, other colleagues everything that I've learned, here in the seminar.
The teachers are expected to cascade the knowledge acquired at the training session in the classroom.